certain budget, and this all thing is not is all being bringing down inequalities. Every economic system is characterized by some kind of inequality. This one of the important challenges become before a government to tackle. The budgetary policy of the government aims to tackle the inequalities in terms of earning and wealth accumulation. It aims to distribute wealth by levying more taxes on the rich and allocating more fund towards the welfare project targeting poor people. See, why does the government do this budget thing? Why does it need a budget? Because we know bringing down inequalities, it imposes taxes on the rich. Okay, ame jetike tax doche, obviously Nita Ambani is not giving that much tax. It is giving much more tax than with what we are giving, what normal people are giving. Now there are certain economically lower people or poor people are there in the country who does not give any tax. Why? Because it does not have that adequate amount of income. गोटे specified income थाए ना, तापर तुमको से tax देवाक पड़े. Okay, now those poor people कौन से मनो पे कौन से समनो पे different योजना अच्छी, you know, Prime Minister योजना, some yojana, this and that yojana. There are certain yojanas by the government. These yojanas are done by the government to help those poor people, to bring down the inequality. जो rich poor भितर जो inequality अच्छी, rich are getting the richer, poor are getting more poorer. To bring down the inequality to equal, rich people are giving you the taxes, and those taxes are your revenue receipt. Okay, we will read in the next slides. We'll read. These are your receipts for the government, and those taxes are then the government does the expenditure. Jetiki revenue government pauchi tax through that he needs to do the expenditure, and that expenditure in the form of what? In the form of salary, wages, yojana, different kind of things. Government that is implementing right now is known as your is known as a revenue expenditure. We'll read it in the slide. But to bring down the inequality, also budget is needed. In this way, we will indulge the taxes, or we will include the taxes from the rich, and we can help the government help the poor by different welfare projects, like some yojana जो हमरो अबे जो अच्छी है 5 टंका रे 72 डालना मिलची ना कोन होटे चलची ना गवर्नमेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
Yojanas these yojanas are done to bring the inequality down. Okay. Now paving the way for economic stability. One of the main issues addressed by government budget is preventing the fluctuation in the business like inflation, deflation, and thereby paving the road for economic stability. The government does this by presenting surplus budget at the times of inflation and deficit budget at the times of deflation to maintain the prices of goods and services in the stable conditions in the country's economy. एबे कंट्री इकोनॉमी भी गोटे स्टेबल होबा दरकार ना नहीं तो एंती बॉडी चलथिबो कमी चलथिबो एमथेल होबो जी इट वोंट वर्क.
No,
right?
ma'am.
And we need economic stability, and for that economic stability also we need budget for that. जेतेबेले गोटे जिंसर हम गोटे unplanned suppose हम माने कॉलेज स्टूडेंट अच्छा and you guys have randomly as a planned we will go to a nearby cafe that has opened recently, and we will have their lunch today. We will not eat lunch today in the college. We will eat at outside. Although majorly you guys might be eating at outside, some don't, but some. But then तमे ने कौन करो decide कला हमें एक cafe को जीवु सेठी जाएंगे हमें आज lunch खाइबु. एबे कौन एटा unplanned. Okay, now when you go unplanned, you guys would have marked कि पैसा रे जति खर्चा बाको तार टिके अधिक खर्च होइले. खर्च जाना नहीं.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हटात से
ma'am.
जाइए गोटे जगह को हटात से भी जाइए पहुंच गलो आज ये जिनसरा देखो कल से मुहूर्त आउ से जिनसरा देखु छी तो with the flow of the time and with the flow of the energy we go, and हमर जति की बजट थाए सेति की बजट रु टिके अधिक खर्च होइले. ठीक अछि. एबे हमें एते प्लान करि कि जिबा जे हमें suppose you have guys are friends and you are doing a reunion and you want to do a reunion in a cafe that has opened recently, and that's why you're going. So you will now plan ki per head hame eti ko aisa kharcho kariba. Suppose per head hame 300 rupees rakhiba. Now what? This is giving you a planning. So planning thile your budget is coming in an estimation na. Jito no planning tha uska budget upar niche hochi. Right, that is what it is said over here. For economic stability ताले तमरो कौन हला planning रे की stability रहलानी तो पैसा रे तम पाके stability रहलानी तो तम पाके पैसा जति खर्च करी था तमे ताटू टिके अधिक खर्च होइगा. Okay, but सेटा तमरो individual खर्च बोली. But now if country runs on that stage, भावो country रो किसी planning नहीं, country दो बेसी दे दला. बेसी खर्च हो गला. Budget नहीं ए year रे एति की पैसा actually sanction हवा कथा एबे रो अधिका ही जाईची. तो एबे कोन हो एबे तो problem है जो there will be no economic stability. There will be a very imbalance where each will get richer, poor will get more poorer. There will be no economical condition. There will be no stabilization economical condition. Economy अबे ऊपर तल either पूरा बना तो पूरा इनके लिए country won't work, right? Country तुम्हारे सेमती चालू है. So for that
No,
you
ma'am.
need a planning. Okay, so that is why your is essential. Managing public enterprises. In every country, we find large number of public sectors and industries that are created and managed for the welfare of the public. One of the objectives of the budget are bringing in different provisions to increase the overall rate of savings and investments in national economy. So, हमारा LIC. Okay, LIC, HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, these are all what? These are all public industries. They also work on a budget. One of the objective of the budget is bringing different provision to increase the overall rate of savings in national economy. Okay, तुम्हारे LIC is central government की private company?
Private.
LIC is private. LIC is not your private. It's a public enterprise.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's a public enterprise. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah. It's a LIC is a public enterprise and it is created for the welfare of the public. LIC रा हेची हमारा welfare of the public पे. So that also needs some kind of investments. That also needs some kind of planning. To manage this public enterprise, also budget is required. LIC or a public enterprise, HPCL also a public enterprise. To manage this organization, these are public enterprises means what? They are run by the government. Okay. Now to
Government.
manage
Yes, ma'am.
government also manage this public enterprise also you need certain kind of budget. So this is why budget is required also to manage this public enterprises. Okay, contributing to economic growth. A country's economic growth ultimately depends on the extent of saving and investment. To augment this aspects, budgetary policies of government endeavor to mobilize enough resources for investments in public sector. Hence, the government brings in a number of provisions in the budget to increase the overall rate of savings and investment in economy. Amara economy khali stabilize hele to haban economy dhara kara gote economy was stabilized in 2021. In 2020, okay, stabilized. जति थिला सेति की अछि स्टेबलाइज की अछि बढ़ुची ना कमुची अरे न बढ़ले केम चब बढ़ न बढ़ले जति थिला सेति की चलिबो की
No, ma'am.
if it needs to get increase for what तमरो जो पाउचंदी एबे जो तमरो you know the Tokyo Olympics Neeraj Chopra and your another one her name was
Mirabai Chanu,
Meera
ma'am.
Chanu, yeah, Mirabai Chanu. These people are getting certain amount by certain
Yes, ma'am.
governments from this government.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
getting reports from that government, central government. They are getting this code. Now Mirabai got lifetime of free pizza from Domino's.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this is the when these people are getting certain kinds of money, ki ka pocket ru duchi.
No, ma'am.
They are giving it from sports. There is some allocated amount for sports also. Education
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
amount allocated. So this is a very that's a very different aspect. कि कोड उसमें पैसा पहुँचें. But whatever, the overall aspect what I'm talking about here is the amount that they're getting is they're getting there from certain funds, right? they जो fund रोड government तो तार fund निजे pocket रोड दबो कि minister 8 कोटी बाहर करेगी. केबे भी no.
No, ma'am.
Impossible. पर धन एगले देई दबा निजे धन रमने. Okay, so this money what they're getting it from certain budget assigned. See जो amount असने पाउत हुए सेटा भी उटे plan किए ना इतनी की देले budget रा किसी फरक पड़ियो तो हमें देई पारी बा government से decision भी नहीं पारु थी कि ना इतनी की देले हाँ किसी फरक पड़ियो नहीं किसी हम inflation ऊपर तड़ा बने तो economic growth भी हमको दरकार government किसी saving भी करिवा otherwise government यदि saving ना करिवा then तारा upcoming year रे जति किसी planning करिवा for 2021 एटा planning तो तुमको example टा देखेली here. It is the plan for 2021. Okay, now 2022, 2023 the planning कौन होगा? There is no planning. Without planning, will government work? Without budget, will a country work?
No, ma'am.
So it needs an economic growth also for saving and investment. Government किछि save करिवो and कोथरे गोटे investment भी करिवो जोटा government wise से तारा जोथरे project there are different also projects that government took up. Okay, बहुत सारा project जोटा government took up करे and सेतरे से investment भी करे then सेतरे तको return भी आसे. So that is how your government will get money ना. काल जाएंगे ना से government employees को salary दबो केमति दबो ना. Okay. Okay, so these are the points, and there are some more points in your book also. I hope when you read it, you will understand. If at all certain points you do not get it, ask me. Okay, now your government budget is of two types. Okay, actually, basically, এটা তোমার actually book রে দেইনি, but I find कि जब दे दिथांदा, it would have been better for you people to just remember oda mind re ote framework ho jeta. Okay, this will be the framework. Okay, okay, now budget is of two types. One is your revenue, another one is your capital. Okay, now your revenue is of two types: revenue receipt, expenditure. Capital is a two type: your capital receipt and capital expenditure. Okay, okay, it also our framework. This is in your code. Revenue is of two types: revenue receipt, revenue expenditure, capital receipt and capital expenditure. Okay, this is your framework that has been in your course. Now if you understand or if you remember this this framework, it will be easy for you to differentiate when you study also, and when you exam there would a question as to what is revenue receipt. You need to get that ki budget is of two types: revenue capital, revenue jo dita aspect hoche ta bhitru asse revenue receipt. Understood? It is for your
Yes, ma'am.
understand. Okay, yeah, is anyone saying anything?
मैम टिके मैम टिके आउथरे मैम टिके टिके कहि देबे मैम मोर नेटवर्क इशू होतला तो मैम जॉइन करि पार नथिली मैम टिके आरंभ रो टिके खाली शॉर्ट रे कहि देबे टिके खाली
किए कहूची कि मु कहीं जाने मु स्क्रीन पे कहीं शो करनी
मैम सुमन
ओ सुमन देबे
यस मैम गाँ रे अछि तो मैम बिल्कुल भी एटी नेट पाउनी तो एबे ही जॉइन हला.
Okay, see the budget कोन बुझिछु तू क्लास रे. See your people, this class will take time. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes to age pare. If you want me to over the course, then it will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. I do not want it to take you 1 hour 30 minutes. But ebbe tamar 10:30 yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I was to inform you one thing, ma'am, another chapter, meaning of public finance and difference between public and private finance. Ma'am, it was already started in college. Yesterday, I think in Saturday class, one of my friends just informed me.
Okay.
In offline. Ma'am, that part was in our macroeconomics part.
Okay, so it is coming in your exams?
Ma'am, maybe because it was started already and it will over might be in 2 classes. So, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. But your weekly you get 2 classes here, na? So I am covering your budget today. I'll try to finish it as soon as possible. But so it will take me some minutes of time to cover what
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's okay. It's ma'am. But I just informed you that it was just started the new chapter.
Fine. I got that. Okay, Suman, jaldi bujh. ठीक है? Okay. Suman, budget is what? Budget माने कौन बुझिचु class रे मतलब इसे का?
Ma'am, the passes in the parliament.
कौन कहूचु तू?
Ma'am, the bills and the future expenditure and future income of the government that passes in the parliament.
Is known as a budget estimation. Okay, see, always associate a word estimation in the budget because budget is associated or linked with the word estimation. We estimate something. Okay, budget layman language रे हमें कौन बुझे? What is budget? Budget is the estimation of future earning or expenditure. ओके बजेट माने लेमन लैंग्वेज रे होची फ्यूचर आमे केतिकी खर्च लागिबो कि आमे फ्यूचर एतिकी टंका पाइबा एबे थरो करे आमे कोठी के ओटे जाउचे फॉर डूइंग फॉर हैविंग ए यू नो फॉर अ पिकनिक ओके आमे जदि फैमिली पिकनिक जाउचे देन वी आर हैविंग देन विद दैट सर्टेन अमाउंट गोटे अमाउंट थाए बजेट रो एटे माने आमे डिसाइड करू गोटे एस्टिमेशन थाए कि हां 5000 खर्च होबो कि 10000 खर्च होबो डिपेंड अपॉन द लोकेशन और ये that is known as your budget, the estimation for the future earning or expenditure. Now according to the Indian constitution we will read because according to in macroeconomics it deals with the huge amount or a bigger amount or it's a bigger screen. We need to see economics and macroeconomics into a bigger screen. Budget money according to Indian constitution means financial statement containing an estimate to all anticipated revenue expenditure of the government for the upcoming financial year. Finance minister always always comes up and always presents the budget. It will be never be presented by any minister. Only finance minister of the country is going to present your budget. For example, dekhe it is screen I have given you there are certain heads. In those heads our budget our per head our country in when a country runs, every country allocates certain amount of money to heads like education, sports, IT and your rural development, scientific department, social welfare. एगुड़ा होची certain heads and ए heads को government certain budget allocate करे सेही budget को नहीं कि तांको whole year run करिवार अछि that department or that head should run with that budget whole year. Okay, now this estimation for the year 2021 this estimation is your budget estimation for year 2021. Okay, who is the finance minister now? Suman?
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Raj? Nirmala Sitharaman. Very good. Okay, now see the objectives of the budget. Hela objectives of the budget कौन में हमारा budget दरकार budget न थिले कौन ऐता अंदा budget रहिले कौन होची. First point होची budget थिले हमारा inequality रहिबनी. How? By imposing the taxes on the rich and by giving the welfare to the poor. Rich मानू को हमें tax apply हमारा tax होची जति की tax हमारा सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा दबो सत्ती की tax हमें दबो की. Will you give that amount of tax what Siddharth Malhotra gives?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see now we are imposing tax on the richer, on the wealthy people, and we are helping. से जो tax टा में आणु चे, से जो government जो tax से दो ची जो tax टा आंसर कौन को आंदी? Revenue receipt. Okay, okay, your revenue receipt and that. The amount, the welfare, there are certain welfares, different yojana अच्छी government to help करे पे poor को. Prime Minister some रोजगार योजना. You know there are certain yojanas more particularly now मन पड़नी. There are certain रोजगार योजना, उटे कौन pension योजना भी अच्छी. There are certain योजना which are here, which are there to help these poor people. जो poor लोगों मनंकर India रे कि आमा country रे there is not certain income. तांको पाखे सत्य की income नहीं जैसे tax दे पालना पड़ेगा. That means they are very poor. So to help those poor to sustain in the country or to sustain in the society, we as government has planned different yojanas in which they will get benefit. तांको बहुत सारा बेनिफिट मिलबो तां जेंति तमरो ओटे 5 rupees वाला योजना डालमा भात मिलुची ना. There is some योजना. What is the name? I don't remember. It is these yojanas are there to help these poor people to sustain. Okay, तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट होची सेटा पेविंग फॉर इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी. हमर इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी पई हमको बजेट प्लान करबा निहाती दरकार. विदाउट प्लानिंग देयर इज नो स्टेबिलिटी. जदि हमें इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी आनेबा को चाहूचे हमर बजेट प्लानिंग इज एसेंशियल. व्हाई नहले इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी विल बी केतेळे ऊपर थिबो केतेळे तळे थिबो केतेळे नथिबो. देयर विल नो इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी. इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी नथिले विल कंट्री रन.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So that is for your economic stability. And then for your managing public enterprises, there are certain enterprises, public enterprises to help the people in our society, in the country. Example, LIC, your HPCL. The biggest example or the very easy example of LIC bujiba. because कि हमारे public enterprises थोड़ा को भी जो run होचे सेटा that is run by the government से उड़ा को run करिया पे there are certain budget, so this budget is also essential to manage the public enterprises. Okay, so man बुझिलो contributing to economic growth. A country's growth ultimately depend upon the saving and investment. हमारे country रो growth केमती हबो किछि saving तो करिया पड़िबो ना, saving करिया पड़िबो किछि investment करिया पड़िबो, there will be certain new projects that our country needs to take up. तो एमिति हेले कोन हबो एथिरे हमारे economic growth भी हबो, हमारे investment भी हबो, हमको return country हम government को return भी आसीबो, so हम पाखरे गोटे economically growth होउथबो. गोटे country रो economic growth is essential to make the country move ahead in this competitions. Okay, हम जो world रे तो सब competition अछि, there are certain countries also, countries and countries with the competition चलछि ना नहीं. To attain this competition, to sustain this competition, your economic growth is essential. So that is why your budget is also needed for having the economic growth. Understood? Okay, now your budget is of two types. मु कहउथिली तमर revenue अछि and तमर capital अछि. तमर revenue under as revenue receipt and revenue under as revenue expenditure, and तमर capital under as capital receipt and capital expenditure. Okay, now what is revenue budget? What is revenue budget? Okay, revenue budget को सबुठु easy way रे तमे माने रखि परिबो. Is equal to revenue receipt plus revenue expenditure. तमर revenue budget कौन जदि के पचाला, anyone asks you in your class, in your teacher, anyone in the class asks you, you can say tell them in this one line, revenue receipt is equal to revenue budget is equal to revenue receipt plus revenue expenditure. This defines your whole, you know, if you write it also, तमे को word रे लिखिबो जदि, you will write the same thing. You will write something like this. Your revenue budget is the budget that shows the current receipt of the government and the expenditure that can be made from these receipts. It is a statement of estimated revenue receipt and the estimated of revenue expenditure during a fiscal year. Revenue budget कौन आमर revenue receipt केते हेछि, आमर revenue expenditure केते हेछि, एटा को मिसई देले आमर revenue आमर budget जानि परिबो. Okay, now what is revenue receipt? I was just telling you people, revenue receipt is the tax revenue. आमर जो fine पडुछि देखिछो, fine, if you do not wear double helmet in Bhubaneswar, there is a fine. If you are going tripling, there is a fine. The fines, there are certain fines also for the corporation, for the business. Every bada businessman, they also pay the tax. They pay the tax, and the corporation business. Oh, there are certain businesses. Every business pay tax according to the income, according to the profit that they are showing to the government. ए जो हमको मिलु जे जो गवर्नमेंट को मिलला जो टैक्स मिलला, पेनल्टी मिलला, फाइन मिलला, एडा कोन एडा होची रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट. हमको मिलला गवर्नमेंट को जोटा मिलला, दैट इज योर रेवेन्यू रिसिप्ट. टैक्स, penalties, your fines. Okay, this are your revenue receipt. एगुडा होची revenue receipt. बुझी पाले revenue receipt माने कोन?
Yes, ma'am.
Tax revenue, tax एडा जोटा हमको गवर्नमेंट को मिलु छै, this is your receipt. हमको receipt टा केते बेले मिले?
हम गोटे जिंस पे कर सरला पर in simple language.
Yeah, simple. In simple language, your receipt is your that. Receipt meaning that. What is a revenue receipt? Revenue receipt is what a government gets when it is imposing any tax or penalties or fines. जेतेबेले हमको government गोटे revenue receipt मिलबो केतेबेले जैसे का कोटे fine charge करछि, का को गोटे से माने हमर corporation different business मानको हमर से माने बहुत heavy tax दियंती. Okay, now the company that I am working is also giving a tax to the company, because this companies give the taxes according to their income level. Okay, so this is your revenue receipt for the government. Okay, now what is expenditure? Revenue माने कोन? Revenue general meaning बुझि परछो तो जहां मिलु छी हमको revenue जो receipt ता मिलला, एबे से expenditure करिवो. Expenditure करिवो how? से तुमको salary दबो, तमर पेंशन दउची जो एक्सपेंडिचर तुमको देला जो हमर दिस यू नो डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज एटे वेलफेयर सब टू बेटर एग्जांपल हो हमर वेलफेयर ये जो डिफरेंट योजना अच्छी मु तुमको कहूतली हाउ दिस योजना वर्क्स ए जो पैसा एटू जाउची एटू जाई कि तो वेलफेयर रे मिलुची ना गवर्नमेंट
Yes, ma'am.
एम्प्लॉय जो सैलरी पाउचंदी केमि पाउचंदी दिस आर ऑल योर रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर ओके अंडरस्टूड कांसेप्ट क्लियर है रेवेन्यू रिसीप्ट कोन रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर कोन
Yes, ma'am.
सुमन बुझी आसला हां तो वॉइस मते किछि भी सुबाउनी मो वॉइस कोन तो सुबाउ तो आई होप तो सुबा दो
मैम रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर टा टिके बुझे देबे
रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर देखे तो तोर रिसिप्ट रे कोन गवर्नमेंट को मिलिला एबे गवर्नमेंट दबो एक्सपेंडिचर करूची को बेटर तमर जो वेलफेयर अछि तमर जो योजना अछि तमर जो सैलरी मिलुची सबटु बेटर एग्जांपल जे बेले बेले सुनिछ गोटे गोटे रोग लोक थांती रागी गले से माने when they have to pay the different taxes and they do not get any benefits they will say कि आमुडु पैसा नहीं कि तो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज को दोचो कोन अधिकटा करछो have you received this statement somewhere this is a normal statement every normal people in the in our state or everywhere तमे कोट ना कोट जो सुनिबो देखिबो एतले when the people gets nothing from the government ना ताकर benefit होची ना किछि when the people it actually perception varies कोची but this is a normal statement but a layman language statement होची हमहु तो पैसा नहीं से गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय को दोचन आ कोन अधिकटा करछन त मानेटा कोन
Yes,
मोटो टैक्स नौचंदी पेनल्टी नौचंदी फाइन्स नौचंदी एक्सपेंडिचर को हिसाब रे होची वेलफेयर जो डिफरेंट गरीब लोग
Salary.
खाइबा
Yes, ma'am.
सैलरी क्या होची गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी ही नहीं जाओ सैलरी जो सैलरी पार्ट से दोचंदी केमति दोचंदी एथरो ही दोचंदी ना रिसिप्ट नौचंदी
Tax,
एक्सपेंडिचर
fine and penalty रू.
पेनल्टी भी दोचंदी तो हमें एते सारा फाइन दोच कोडे जाउची कोडे सेटा सो को हिसाब रे यूज होची ए हिसाब रे यूज होची ओके नाउ द स्क्रीन टाइम आउट इज जल्दी जॉइन करो ओके
Yes.